Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 71 of Surah Al-Ma'idah and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وحسبوا ألا تكون فتنة فعموا ومخرج for circling your lips for top and jaws ha from your throat with hums for top and jaws the sound is short. C for kasra give E sound the sound is short. Boo for the circle your lips make it 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. وحسبوا ألا Hamza is very sharp of a top and jaws attached with lam. Lam gets it off the wasut. La 2 counts long. Ta for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hu for the circle lips make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Fits for kasra give e sound attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of hums and hums is flow of breaths. Fits na for fatha open jaws. Tum for the circle lips and make ikhfa after that. And this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight while you are making this ikhfa. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha open jaws. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Mu for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Wa makhraj of circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Slam for fatha open jaws attach it. Mim will get sifa of gunna, and gunna is akmal. Gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for longer time. Mu for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Tum for the circle lips attach it. Mim will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ta 2 counts long. Ballahu ba keep ba light for fatha open jaws attach it. Lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy and 2 counts long here. Ballahu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lai this is Yailin, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Him for kasra give e sound attached with mim will get sifa of the wasut and ruling it with ha. Tum for the circle ellipse attached with mim will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Mu for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Wa مخرج of power circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Slam صاد is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with mim. You will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mu for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Ka for fatha open jaws. Thi 2 counts long. Rum for the circle lips, make ra heavy because whenever ra is with dhamma, it is heavy. And here this is idgham, so may keep your sound in your nose for a longer time. Rum min for kasra give e sound attached with noon will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is really medium slow flow of sound. Hum for the circle lips attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with ha. Wallahu for makhraj of power circling your lips for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it, and it is always long, and here it is heavy because there is fatha. So wallahu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Ba for fatha open jaws, keep ba light. Slad is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Urum, this is iqlab. You are changing the sound of noon into meme because after the meme, if the letter ba comes, then we create iqlab. Urum bi, focus again. E sound, ma 2 counts long. Yeah, keep ya soft and for open jaws attach it ain will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Yeah, ma for open jaws loon for the circle lips and as you are observing this waqf here. So because of this waqf, we are giving sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid sukoon. لا ففتح upon just قاد قاف is heavy ففتح upon just attach الدال دال will just get صفة of قلقلة and قلقلة is تباعد لا قاد ك كاف is light ففتح upon just the sound is short fa give humps in fa ففتح upon just the sound is short roll ra is heavy whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha it is heavy here it is heavy and attached with lam lam will get صفة of توسط roll لا for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws. Qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Lu for dhamma circular lips, make it 4 counts long. In hamza is sharp for kasra, give e sound attach it. Noon will get sifa hunna. This hunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now keep noon light, but lafz jalala will be heavy. Nafs jalala is heavy because there is fatha before it. Now, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. Ha for fatha open just the sound is short. Who for the ma circle make it short. Well, makhraj of power circling your lips for fatha open just attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ma for fatha open just. C 2 counts long. Who for the ma circle lips make the sound is short. No, it is attached with ba. Vowel gets if of qalqala and qalqala is tabaud. حب no for the circle lips. Ma for fatha open your jaws attach it ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it and give ra tawassut too. Ma yam for fatha keep ya light and for fatha open jaws attach it mim will get sifa of tawassut because it is with sukoon now because of the waqf. Ma yam مريم هو مخرج of واو circling your lips for top and jaws قاف is heavy make it 2 counts long لل for top and jaws attached lam lam will get above توسط ما for top and jaws the sound is short C 2 counts long who for the ma circle lips the sound is short yeah yeah it's soft make it 2 counts long ب for top and jaws the sound is short Ni mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 counts long. Is Hamza is very sharp for kasra give e sound attaches sin. Sin will get sifa of rukhawa. It is light and it has safid. Is ra whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. It is heavy here, and you are making it 4 counts long because this is mad muttasil. Wajib E 2 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. Keep the sharpness there. E lal for fatha. Sorry, la for fatha open jaws attached to ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut and ain should be from your throat. Bu for the circular lips. The sound is short. Do keep dal light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Do Allah. Always Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long. Ha for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Rab, ra is heavy for fatha open jaws attached. Ba will get sifa of shidda. B 2 counts long. Ua makhraj waw is circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. Oh, rab, ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is always heavy. رب for fatha upon jaws. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with me. We will get sip off the wasut and ruling it with top. In Hamza is sharp. Focus or give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sip off. Kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in a note for a longer time. Na for fatha upon jaws. Who for the circle ellipse make it 2 counts long. May for fatha upon jaws attached. Yeah. And this is idgham and this idgham is with kunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. May yush for the circle lips attached to chin. Chin as you will touch chin, your lips should be in a straight position, and chin will get sifa afrakhawa, and it is light and it has the fashi. rish, yush, rik. For kasra, give E sound and keep raw light. Rik. And give hams on kaf. And hams is flow of breath. Will. For kasra, give E sound attached to lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Will make it 2 counts long. He for kasra give E sound. Fa give hams on fa. Fatha open jaws. Qad. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala and qalqala is taba'ud. Haru. Ha should be from your throat with hams. Fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will be ra will get sifa of the wasat, and ra will be heavy because whenever ra is with fatha, the might is heavy. Harra mau. Meme, keep meme light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Mallahu. Make it 2 counts long, but because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long, who for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha upon your jaws. Lay. This is jailin, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Heel for kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Jan for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ta for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Wa for makhraj of waw is circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. Ma for fatha upon jaws attached with hamza. Hamza will get sifa of shidda, so the sound will get a shidda. No flow of sound will be there. Ma wa makhraj of waw circling your lips, make it 2 counts long. Hun for dhamma, circle your lips attached with noon, and noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now, because of this fact, you are giving sukoon on ra. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 count long vowel into 4. This is madarat al-sukoon. Now it is 4. And ra will be heavy. And ra will get tawassut. ومأواه النار. For wow, circle ellipse, fatha upon jaws, ma 2 counts long. Liu. For kasra, give E sound attached to the will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound should flow nicely. Liu. And the for fatha, make it 2 counts long. Li. For kasra, give E sound. Me 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Min for kasra, give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of the wasut, and ruling it with her. Hamza is very sharp, and make ikhfa. This ikhfa is heavy, so lift your tongue up to make this heavy ikhfa. Sad. Because of the sabak, we are giving sukoon here on ra. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 now. So this is madarat li sukoon, and because of this sabak, you are giving tawassut on ra, and ra will be heavy here when you are giving waqf. Min ansar. لقد كفر الذين قالوا إن الله هو المسيح ابن مريم. وقال المسيح يا بني إسرائيل اعبدوا الله ربي وربكم إنه من يشرك بالله فقد حرم الله عليه الجنة ومأواه النار وما للظالمين من أنصار. صار. لقد لام for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. قد قاف is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached dal dal will get صفة قلقلة and قلقلة is تباعد. كاف is light for fatha upon jaws. Give hums on for fatha upon jaws. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached lam will get صفة توسط. La for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. Qa 2 counts long. Lu for the ma circle lips, make it 4 counts long. In for kasra, give E sound attached with noon gets if out kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now keep noon light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Now lafz jalala is always long. Ha for fatha upon jaws. Tha 2 counts long. Li for kasra, give E sound. Tu for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Sa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La 2 counts long. Ta for fatha upon jaws. Whenever we stop on the circle ta, we are changing it into ha. And whenever you find this meme, it means labak lazim. Mak lazim means you cannot go and whistle it until you have to stop here. You cannot whistle this ayah from here till here. No. You have to make stop over here. ثالث ثلاثة. So when you are stopping on circle ta, you are changing into ha. This is the rule. و for مخرج الواو circling your lips for fatha upon jaws ma 2 counts long. Min for kasra, give E sound attached with noon gets a pop. Tawassut and tawassut as medium slope sound and ruling is with her. E for kasra, give E sound. La 2 counts long. Hin for kasra, give E sound and ruling is ithar and sifas tawassut. Il Hamza is very sharp for kasra, give E sound attached with lam, now you get sifat tawassut. La 4 counts long. E for kasra, give E sound. La 2 counts long. Hum idgham with gunzan, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa 2 counts long. Hid for kasra, give E sound attached with dal, dal will get sifat. Qalqala and qalqala is tabaud. ومخرج واو circling your lips of a open your jaws. Il Hamza is very sharp for kasra, give E sound, and this idgham is without gunna, so you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Illam give tawassut on lam for fatha upon jaws attached with meme, we will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium plumb sound and hukmuhu idhar. Keep ya light for fatha upon jaws, and this is ikhfa, so keep the and this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight while you're creating it. Ta for fatha upon jaws. Who for the ma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws attach it meme, we will get sipa off. Gunna, this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma 2 counts long. Keep soft for fatha upon jaws. Qu for the ma circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Lu, make it 2 counts long and circle your lips. Na for fatha upon jaws. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Here, keep soft for fatha upon jaws. Mas for fatha upon jaws attached sin will get sifa of rakhawa. And it is light and it has safir. San, as you will touch noon, your lips, you are creating gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nal, give tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Na, for fatha upon jaws. Kaf is light and for fatha upon jaws. F, give hums, and for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ru is heavy for the ma circle, let's make it 2 counts long. Min for kasra, give E sound attach it. Noon will get sipa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. So sorry, I'm so sorry. And this is tawassut. You're attaching meme with noon. This is tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow sound. Mm. So, meme is attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Hum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with meme will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ain from your throat, for fatha open jaw. The two counts long. Gun is sifa is tawassut and ruling is ithar. Hamza is very sharp. Lim. Because of this waqf, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long into four. This is mad arid li sukoon. لقد كفر الذين قالوا إن الله ثالث ثلاثة. لقد كفر الذين قالوا إن الله ثالث ثلاثة وما من إله إلا إله واحد وإن لم ينتهوا عما يقولون ليمسن الذين كفروا منهم عذاب أليم. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.